Good morning. I am Dr. Mohan Shenoy, son of Adyar Gopal Krishna Shenoy. Let me talk to you for a minute about love and reproduction. A man and a woman, when they make love, do not intend to produce children. There will be conception and formation of a fetus regardless of the intention of the two while making love. If there is no deliberate contraception employed, then a woman will get pregnant regardless of her wanting the pregnancy or not. However, generally a woman wishes to become pregnant. Her feelings, emotions, actions and intentions upon becoming pregnant are to finish the terms of pregnancy and deliver a child. Once she delivers a baby and the baby looks at her with the deep loving stare, she becomes a most satisfied person in the world. She feels that she has achieved something beyond her expectations. This bond between the mother and the baby helps the survival of the infant through infancy, childhood, and adolescence. This is true of all living things from fish, fowl, ants, animals to human beings. Let us consider an amoeba, a single-cell animal. An amoeba reproduces by pinching off a piece of itself. The new amoeba formed contains the life, that is, the ability to manage independently all activities connected with life and even to reproduce and multiply the progeny. The amoeba does not possess the spinal cord, brain, etc. It does not possess the circulatory system or heart. They are not differentiated as male and female. The humans and many animals are either male or female. Men do not possess the womb. The ovaries in women produce eggs which are released every month from the ovary, and they move with the unique sense from the wilderness of the peritoneal cavity to the folds of the fallopian tube and enter the tube. They travel to the uterine cavity and embrace one and only one among the millions of sperms that have arrived, also equally uniquely, seeking this embrace with the egg. Once the egg embraces the sperm, the two lose their original identities. Immediately a new entity called the embryo is formed. The cells divide, multiply and specialize. Head, neck, trunk and limbs take shape. The mother provides this fetus everything. She provides life, oxygen, nutrition and also clears away the garbage, the waste formed in the fetus. The fetus begins to live. It is given its soul by the mother. The baby's soul is none other than the piece of soul that is given by its mother. The soul that is invested in the fetus does not land into it from outside. Our soul is the Xerox copy of our mother's soul. When we die, our soul dies with us. There is no other soul apart from the soul we get from our mother. It is only an imagination and a belief or a faith that there is a heaven and a hell, and that we go to either heaven or to hell, or take rebirth after we die. All these phenomena, conception, fertilization and formation of a fetus and injection of life into it, all depend on the optimum conditions of nutrition, oxygen, adequate sunlight, Earth's gravity and atmospheric pressure, as well as the presence of the friendly bacteria and viruses. We die when our body becomes old and weak, or we are killed by a disease or an accident. Our soul and our life end with our death. We get liberated and attain nirvana when we die. As I said before, the concept of heaven or Vaikunta or hell or Naraka or rebirth, that is Punarjanma, are imaginations and wild beliefs. This world is both heaven and hell, and there is no rebirth. We are totally finished when we die, except that we have left our sons and daughters to take our place and fill the vacancy.